Hi friends, this video shows how to reset all Bluetooth settings and fix all Bluetooth problems. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, then go down, go to general management, tap here, go down, tap on reset, go down, tap on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, tap here, then tap on this reset settings button. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete your photos, videos, contacts, anything. It just reset only the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings, that's all. Tap on this reset settings button. See the message Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings reset. After that we can close this. Then again go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go to connections. Then turn on Bluetooth. We can tap here and turn on Bluetooth. Then tap on this Bluetooth label. Now phone is searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Next I am going to connect this Bluetooth device. Let me open the lid. Then put this device in pairing mode. Let me press and hold this button. See, this light is flashing. That means now this device in pairing mode. Let me go to phone. Then scan. Tap on scan. And here you can see OnePlus Buds 4. That's the name of this Bluetooth device. Tap on this name. Then tap on pair. See, it's connected. This way we can reset all Bluetooth settings and fix all Bluetooth problems. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.